Proton has rolled out its biggest update for the Lumo chatbot, almost a year after it launched. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Lumo version 2.0 now comes with image recognition and generation, finally making it a legitimate competitor to ChatGPT and Gemini. Proton says the updated chatbot has the ability to generate images as well as to analyze and edit them. Chats involving images are still protected by zero-access encryption, like all chats on Lumo, which means they can only be accessed on your device. The company says they can't be accessed by third parties or even Proton itself. Apart from image generation, now Lumo also has a thinking mode for reasoning. Proton says Lumo 2.0 Lite scored 127% higher than Lumo 1.4 on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index benchmark, while Lumo 2.0 Max scored 240% higher. The updated Lumo has deeper context, so it can dig deeper for relevant background information and provide you with more accurate responses. Plus, it can now surface the latest information and source citations in its responses. Lumo 2.0 is now available and core AI capabilities remain free, but you'll have to pay $10 a month for Lumo Plus for unlimited chats, advanced image generation, and access to Proton's more advanced models. Proton founder and CEO Andy Yen said that Lumo 2.0 has been re-engineered from the ground up, and the introduction of thinking mode gives it powerful new capabilities. User testing noted they can no longer perceive a qualitative difference between Lumo 2.0 Max and the latest models from OpenAI and Anthropic. Lumo 2.0 is making sure users no longer need to choose between powerful AI and privacy protections. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.